Today we are going to discuss electric potential problems. So first problem, between two equal and oppositely charged large parallel plates separated by a 2 centimeter, a potential difference of 300 volt exists. Midway between two plates, a particle of mass 12 into 10 to the power minus 24 kg and charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is projected parallel to the plates. Find the projection speed so that particle will strike one of the plates at a distance 10 centimeter from end from which it was fired. So here let us consider one plate, two plates. Here the upper plate and another plate, in down plate. Here the separation distance, here to here, this separation distance d is equal to 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Let us consider this one is a positive charge plate, this one is a negative charge plate. Electric field, uniform electric field, positive to negative. This is the uniform electric field, and in between, midway, nothing but here the d by 2 distance from the one end of the rod and another end of the rod also d by 2 distance. So here the fired one particle, this particle moving like this, the initial speed u, let us consider, and striking any one of the rod, it means like this. Here the striking, here to here, this distance is L. Let us consider this distance L. L is equal to 10 centimeter. They given in that question. So here the how much time taken here, t is equal to total distance by velocity. So they are asking u value. U is equal to how much they are asking initial speed. They find the projection speed. U is equal to how much they are asking. From uniform electric field, here the electric field positive to negative. Let us consider this point is a A plate, this is the B plate. Potential VA minus VB is equal to electric field into distance between them. So in the why here I wrote positive means here the in the direction of electric field potential electric potential must be decreasing. Already I said that point. So from this one, electric field is equal to VA minus VB divided by D. D nothing but 2 centimeter. VA minus VB nothing but they given potential difference of 300 volt. So 300 divided by D nothing but 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter converting to SI units. So 0.02. 0.02 electric field is equal to 15,000 volt per meter. Now how much uniform electric field? 15,000 volt per meter. Here the in vertical direction, according to kinematic equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square in that equation. So in vertical direction, S is nothing but d by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 A t square. So acceleration is equal to, already we know, Q E divided by force upon mass. Force nothing but Q into E. So this value substitute. Now E value we know, charge value also we know, mass also we know. Substitute here. D, the half cancel. So D is equal to D is equal to acceleration nothing but QE divided by m into T nothing but L square by U square. L square by U square. So after this separation, U square is equal to QE L square by m into D. Substitute this value. Q value here. Q value 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, 15,000 into 0.1 whole square divided by m nothing but 12 into 10 to the power minus 24 into D nothing but D value. So 0.2 0.02. So after simplification we will get 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, meter square per second square. This is a U square value. So U is equal to 10 to the power of 4 meter per second. This is the answer to the question. Another model. There are two thin wire rings. This one is a one wire. This one is another thin wire rings. Each of radius capital R. This one also capital R. This one also capital R. Whose axes coincide? This axis coincide like this. This axis coincide. The charges of the rings are, one is a positive charge, another one is a negative charge. Find the potential difference between the centers of the rings separated by a distance A. These two centers separated distance A, they are asking VC1 minus VC2 is equal to how much? This is a question. According to question, this they are asking this one. So you may read first given. You may find first VC1. VC1 nothing but here the first ring potential at center. First ring potential at center is equal to potential at center nothing but KQ by capital R. Already we know. Here itself potential, this ring potential KQ by positive Q. That's why you may write positive by here the radius R. And due to this one here also some potential is there. So due to this one you may write this is the distance between them. So here the R, here the A, this value is nothing but under root of A square plus capital R square. This is the distance between one ring to another ring. So here A is nothing but coaxial coincide distance. So this due to this ring, here the potential at VC1 is VC1 minus why I am writing here minus KQ. So KQ divided by under root of R square plus A square. Similarly, VC2 is equal to it's a this ring center potential minus KQ by capital R. Due to this ring, this one, here the distance also same, A square plus R square, A square plus R square. Here the positive charge plus KQ divided by under root of A square plus R square. So what they are asking here? Potential difference. Potential difference nothing but VC1 minus VC2 is equal to VC1 how much? KQ by R minus KQ by root of A square plus R square minus into minus plus KQ by R minus KQ by under root of A square plus R square. So take out common. Here the 2KQ by R minus 2KQ by under root of A square plus R square. Here take out common 2KQ. So 2KQ into 1 by R minus 1 by under root of A square plus R square. So this is the answer to the question. So the potential difference between the centers of the ring separated by a distance A. This is the answer to the question. Another model, electric potential at the surface of a thin non-conducting sheet. Thin non-conducting sheet with charge density sigma is V naught. So find the electric potential at a distance x in front of sheet. So let us consider this a small sheet. We have the positive charge. So this one is the non-conducting sheet. Here the sigma nothing but coulomb per meter square. Sigma charge density. So here the surface potential is equal to V naught. The given surface potential is equal to Vs is equal to V naught. Here this is the location point P. From the surface distance x they given. Here the electric field in the direction, here the Vs and here the potential to point P Vp. So potential, so here in uniform electric field, potential difference can be given as Vs minus Vp should be equal to E into x distance. So here Vs minus Vs is the more potential than Vp. In the direction of the electric field, potential decreasing, already we know that point. That's why I wrote here positive. If you write Vp minus Vs, you may write negative value. So here Vs nothing but V naught minus Vp they asking. So find the electric potential at point P nothing but distance x nothing but Vp is equal to E into x. So this one is the sheet. So infinity sheet. Electric field, already we know sigma by 2 epsilon naught into x. So here Vp is equal to V naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught into x. Now this is the answer to the question. Another model, figure shows here fixed uniformly charged ring of radius capital, this ring radius capital and charge plus q, this ring charge plus capital Q along the axis of ring from a far away point, a particle of mass m and cross and charge plus q. This charge plus q is thrown towards center. Find the minimum speed of projection so that particle will be able to cross the center of the ring. So if projection here the small charge plus small plus q charge, this small plus q charge mass small m, here the initial speed u. So here if you project the initial speed u, so this particle condition here able to cross the center of the ring. So here if you want to cross the center of the ring, here the minimum speed more than or equal to 0, so solution, so at to cross the point point C, velocity, center of the velocity more than or equal to 0 by energy conservation. Here the energy, only kinetic energy present because the charge moving with a velocity u. That's why 1 by 2 m into u square. This value more than or equal to, here the after this charge moving towards the ring or moving at center, here some interaction energy is there. That interaction energy is equal to Q into Vc. Vc nothing but potential at center of the ring. Potential at center of the ring Vc is equal to Kq by capital R. Already we know inside the ring potential. So Q into Vc. So 1 by 2 m u square more than or equal to Q into K into capital Q divided by R. So U square more than or equal to 2 into K Q capital Q into small q divided by M into R. So U is more than or equal to under root of 2 K Q divided by M into R. So if you apply this much projection speed, then only this charge able to cross the center of the ring, otherwise not possible. More than or equal to this value only this charge able to cross the center of the ring. This is the answer to the question. Another model figure shows a square of edge 2a, at the vertices of which four charges plus q, minus q and minus q are fixed. A similar charge plus q is displaced from x to y. So find the work done by electric force in this process. So whenever this charge moving x to y, so how much work done by electric force in this process they asking. So solution. So work done by electric force or electric field in the process, already we know that work done is equal to Q into changing potential Vx minus Vy. In the direction of electric field decreasing, that's why here Vx minus Va. Initial the Vx, here the potential Vx, here the potential Vy. So here the Vx is bigger than the Vy, that's why you may write Vx minus Vy. Individually you may find the Vx value. So Vx is equal to, due to this charge, here the one potential energy there, due to this one also one potential there. So due to this charge, here the potential kq by A, due to this one, so here the potential at Vx is equal to plus kq by A. Similarly, due to this charge, here the potential at Vx is nothing but now this is a distance. This one is A, here to here 2a, total this one is nothing but root 5a. Here the due to this minus q charge produce some potential at point x minus kq by root 5a. Here due to this one also root 5a. So due to this minus q charge produces some potential at point x minus kq by root 5a. Total at x is equal to 2kq by a minus 2kq by root 5a. Take out common 2kq by a. So Vx is equal to 2kq by a. Take out common 1 minus 1 by root 5. Similarly, you may find Vy. So here the potential at Vy, due to this charge is a positive kq by A, due to this charge minus kq by symmetry and opposite. So this potential should be equal and opposite, that's why cancel each other here. Due to this one at positive, here to here distance also root 5a. So this positive charge at the point y, potential Vy is equal to kq positive kq by root 5a. Due to this charge minus k cube by root 5a. So this one is a positive, this one is a negative. Total net potential at y is equal to 0. Equal and opposite 0. So these two values, this Vx value and V value substituted here, will get the work done by electric force in this process. That work done is equal to Q into 2kq divided by A into 1 minus 1 by root 5. So minus 0. So total work done is equal to 2kq square by A, q square by A into 1 minus 1 by root 5. This is the answer to the question. So another model, in a region electric field depends on the x coordinate as E bar is equal to 5x square I cap volt per meter. If electric potential at origin is taken 0, find potential at 3, 1. So solution, as electric field E bar is along I cap along x-axis, potential decreasing because of the in the direction of the electric field, electric potential decreasing. Already we know this point. So origin VO minus VP is equal to magnitude of integral of E bar dot dx bar. So here magnitude nothing but we know origin point potential is more than the at this point potential. So that's why always positive. That's why magnitude. Integral limits origin nothing but 0 in along the x-axis here 3. Integral limits 0 to 3. So minus VP, 0 minus VP is equal to E is nothing but 5x square into dx along the direction E dot dx nothing but E dx cos theta, theta value 0, so cos 0 1. So 5x square into dx, integral limit 0 to 3. So that should be is equal to 5 into x cube by 3, 0 to 3. So 5 into higher limit minus lower limit 3 square 5 by 3 into 3 square minus 0, 3 cube minus 0 cube. So here the minus Vp is equal to 5 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 3 cancel, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 5, so 45. So Vp is equal to minus 45 volt. So this is the answer to the question. Another model, the electric potential in a region depends on location of a point as V is equal to minus Cxy, where C is a constant. Find the magnitude of a acceleration of a particle of mass small m and charge small q placed at a point 1, 2. So solution. So what they asking here, acceleration is equal to how much they asking. Electric field in this region can be given as, so here the electric field can be given as, so E bar is equal to, here 2-dimensional, in 3-dimensional already we know, in 3-dimensional already minus dou V by dou x with the I cap plus dou V by dou y j cap plus dou V by dou z k cap. Already we know this formula. Here only x and y, so no need to write so z. So E bar is equal to minus dou by dou x of V is nothing but minus Cxy plus dou by dou y of minus Cxy plus 0, so no need to write this one. So in this way, with here I cap, here the j cap. So minus into minus all plus this one get cancelled. So here the x only variable, y constant. You may write out of the c into y dou x by dou x. So plus similarly c x dou y by dou y. So this value become to 1. This value become to 1. So c into y along the I cap along the j cap. So along the I cap plus c into x along the j cap. So at this point x nothing but 1. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Substitute here 2 into c with I cap plus c into j cap. This is the electric field at that point. Magnitude of the electric field is equal to root of 4c square plus c square is equal to root 5c. Electric, now magnitude of electric field we know, root 5c. So acceleration is equal to force by mass. Force nothing but q into e divided by mass. Magnitude of this acceleration is equal to q into root 5 c divided by m. So acceleration is equal to root 5 qc divided by m. This is the answer to the question. So another model, the potential at a point in a region is given as V is equal to 1000 by x plus 1500 by x square plus 500 by x cube. Find the field intensity at a point where x is equal to 1 meter. X is equal to 1 meter. Solution, as we know, formula E bar is equal to minus dV by dx along the x axis. So V value substitute here. So E bar is equal to minus dV by dx of 1000 by x plus 1500 by x square plus 500 by x cube. Multiply this differential. Minus d by dx of 1000 by x minus d by dx of 1500 by x square minus d by dx of 500 by x cube. 500 by x cube. So here the formula differentiate of 1 by x power n, that should be is equal to d by dx of x power minus n, that should be is equal to minus n into x power minus n minus 1. This is the formula. So here n means first case here power 1, second case power 2. So here first one n replace 1. So here the electric field is equal minus. So here minus 1 into 1000 by x square minus of minus 2 into 1500 by x cube minus of minus 3 into 500 by x power 4. So this minus get cancelled, minus get cancelled, minus get cancelled. So here the electric field E bar is equal to, this all are with I cap, along the x direction, is equal to 1000 by x square plus 3000 by x cube plus 1500 by x power 4 along the with I cap. Here the put x is equal to 1 meter here. So E bar is equal to 1000 by 1, 3000 by 1, 1500 by 1. Total 5500 along with I cap volt per meter. This is the answer to the question. Another model, in a region, a uniform electric field exists along positive x direction, and the potential difference between points x 1 comma 2 comma 0 and y point minus 3 comma 1 comma 5 is 200 volt. Find the magnitude of electric field in system. Take position coordinate in meter. In nothing but meter. So solution, as we know, uniform electric field potential different potential difference. So Vx minus Vy is equal to E into D. Here the E is equal to Vx minus Vy divided by D. Changing potential already they given in that question, 200 divided by D. D nothing but here the x direction. This they given on, they asking only x direction. That's why changing nothing but this changing distance nothing but so minus 1 minus of minus 3 nothing but 4. So here the 4. So here the 50. So electric field, the magnitude of electric field in this system is equal to 50 volt per meter. 50 volt per meter. This is the answer to the question. Another model, find the potential difference VA minus VB between 2 points A and B in the surrounding of a long uniformly charged thread. This one is a long uniformly charged thread as shown in the figure. This one is a uniformly long pair. So let us consider this one is a equipotential surface. In this equipotential surface, in everywhere this line A to C or C to A, potential must be equal. It means VA is equal to VC. So what they asking here question, VA minus VB. Already we know changing potential is equal to integral of E dot dx. So VA minus VB is equal to magnitude of integral E bar dot dx bar. So here VA is the electric field. A to B in the direction of the electric field. This is the electric field direction. In the direction of electric field, electric potential decreasing. That's why this value must be, VA minus VB value must be positive. That's why I put magnitude. So VA minus VB is equal to electric field. In this long uniformly thread value, electric field nothing but here the 2k lambda by here x, this here to here, this distance is nothing but x value, x value. So x, so substitute here integral of r1 to r1 plus r, a2, here the point to the A point position r1 distance, r1 to B distance nothing but here to here r1, here to here r. So totally thread to point B distance r1 plus r. So r1 to r1 plus r, 2k lambda divided by x into dx. So 2k lambda you may write out of the integral. VA minus VB is equal to 2k lambda integral of r1 to r1 plus r dx by x. The integral dx by x nothing but log x. So VA minus VB is equal to 2k lambda into log x r1 plus r. So higher limit minus lower limit, 2k lambda higher limit log of r1 plus r minus log of r1. So higher limit. Log A minus log B nothing but log A by B. So VA minus VB is equal to 2k lambda into log of R1 plus R divided by R1. So it means VA minus VB is equal, changing potential is equal to 2k lambda into log of R1 plus R divided by R1. This is the answer to the question. So another model, find the electric field vector in the region for which equipotential surfaces are shown in the figure. So here the flatted potential, so 10 potential, 20 potential, 30 potential, 40 potential, like that, so and so on increasing. There are flatted, and electric field and the potential both are opposite direction. One is the positive direction, another one is the negative direction, because E bar is equal to minus dV by dx. So let us, the electric field vector in this region, this is the direction of the electric field. In this direction of the electric field region, so here the electric field and the potential must be 90 degrees. This is the direction of the electric field region, uniform electric field region. This is a uniform electric field region, and electric field and potential must be here 90 degrees. So here to here total angle 180 degrees. In this direction, here the angle 60 degrees. Here the angle 60 degrees. So here you may draw the components along the y direction and along the x direction components. So already we know electric field vector in the region can be given as so E bar is equal to components resolve minus E into cos 60 with I cap. Here minus I cap, negative direction, x direction, plus E into sin 60 with positive j direction. You may find first electric field. Electric field is equal to V by changing potential by changing displacement or dx. So changing potential nothing but 20 minus 10 divided by d nothing but perpendicular, here the displacement direction, d nothing but 20 minus 10 into sin 30. So here the centimeter value converting to meter, so here the centimeter value, this value, so 10 divided by, so 10 into 1 by 2 into 10 to 4 minus 2, centimeter converting to meter minus 2. So electric field simplify, this is a 5, this is a 2 divided by 10 to 4 minus 2 nothing but 200 volt per meter. This value substitute here. So E bar is equal to minus 200 cos 60 1 by 2 along the I cap, 200 sin 60 root 3 by 2 along the j cap. So this is 100. Now this one also 100 minus 100 with I cap plus 100 root 3 with j cap. This is the electric field direction in this region. So this is the answer to the question.